It's a scorcher, hot. And one thing, when I think heat, is pink lemonade, and that's where this stuff right here, Pink Whitney from New Amsterdam, comes into play. This is something I see a lot of people asking about. I have no idea. I've never tried it before, but I see a lot of people asking for recipes with this stuff, what they should mix it with, yada, yada, yada. So I picked up a bottle, very cheap, $13.99 in the store, and we're going to try a couple different variations just to see how it turns out. Now, I am not a fan of New Amsterdam. Sorry. I think there's better products out there, but I am a Penguins fan. Ryan Whitney was a Penguins hockey player, and now he was with Barstool Sports. They teamed up to make this. Apparently, it's his favorite drink ever, so I could use some cooling down. It's really hot out here in my filming area, and I can't run the AC because you don't want to hear that all day. So let's crack a top on this and just see what it tastes like. Just a nice little taste test. Yeah, a shot ain't gonna kill me. It's only 60 proof, 30% alcohol by volume. So even right off the bat, I can just smell that country time, like pink lemonade type smell. It's pretty decent. Yeah, that's what it tastes like. It tastes like you stuck vodka in a bunch of that country time. Not bad by itself. On the rocks, that's probably going to be pretty good. You know, it's not sour. Doesn't have an extreme burn. So it goes down smooth. I think adding some ice into it and, cooling it down is going to help that a great deal. The recipe on the back says throw some soda water in there. The first thing I'm going to actually do is put some Sprite. I think Sprite would taste really good in there as well. So that's what I'm going to do first, is just take a rocks glass, fill it up. It's full of ice. Yep. And so I forgot my jigger, but that's okay. I'm just going to use a shot of the lemonade. Shot of the Pink Lemonade Vodka. I'm going to mix it with my Sprite. Please don't fizz everywhere. All right. Nice and easy mixture. Want to throw a straw in there just to give it a little bit of a stir. So that is a Sprite and Pink Whitney. So we'll call it a Pink Sprite, maybe? It gives a little extra of a sour kick to it. Interesting flavor profile. So that was kind of a half-assed drink, right? Pouring, building into a glass, right? That's easy stuff. What if we want to step it up a little? Now, there aren't a lot of cocktails necessarily that call for this stuff, but I thought, what if we take a classic cocktail and, transition it a little bit with our Pink Whitney? So this one is the Pink Lemon Drop cocktail. That's right, Pink Lemon Drop. Basically, what we're going to do is kind of make a lemon drop martini with this instead of vodka or citrus vodka even. So what we're going to do is start off with some of the Pink Whitney. We're going to take, and I did grab my jigger. We're going to take 2 ounces of the Pink Whitney vodka. Put that into a shaker tin. It really smells good. I mean, I'm not crazy about this stuff by itself, but it smells great. We'll follow up with some triple sec. I'm using Cointreau here. A regular triple sec is just fine as well. It's going to be a 1/2 ounce of our Cointreau. All right, ½ ounce. That's all the liquors that we're going to be putting in there. Next up, let's follow it with a little bit of simple syrup. Simple syrup, a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar and water. I'm going to use 1 ounce of the simple syrup. And it's going to sweeten it. Obviously, it's sugar water, so it's going to sweeten it. But this next part's going to bring a little bit of citrusiness to it. I'm going to take a lemon, and we're going to juice the lemon. So, have the lemon. We're going to squeeze 1 ounce of juice out of this lemon, which we should easily be able to do with 1 lemon and have a little bit left over. Usually I get anywhere from 1.5 to 2 ounces out of a lemon. This one looks like more of a 1.5 ounce version, but regardless, you throw in the ounce of fresh lemon juice, and next time we're going to put in some ice here and shake it. Nice big scoop of ice. And we're going to shake this very nice. Whew. All right. The drink is very cold, unlike myself. I'm dying here. We have to take a break. Which is okay, because I have myself a pink lemon drop cocktail. And I don't know. I'm hoping this will have almost like a pink starburst type flavor to it. I'm hoping. So we'll find out. Cheers, mofos. That is good. Now that is really good. Very enjoyable. All right. I'm going to drink this. I'm going to cool off for a little bit. And I'm going to come back with the final cocktail. It's the final cocktail. And I'm back. Cooled off a little bit. Still really hot and humid. And you know what's great for hot and humid days? Lemonade. You know what else is great? Iced tea. So it makes total sense to turn the famous Arnold Palmer drink into something alcoholic. I mean, come on. This drink has the Pink Whitney, so we got the penguins going on there. Latrobe Native got the iced tea going on there in the Arnold Palmer. This drink, custom creation. So if it sucks, I apologize if you don't like it. It's going to give me a Sweet Tea Vodka. I don't think they make Sweet Carolina anymore. They do make a brand called Firefly. No matter what, I think there's always going to be some form of a Sweet Tea Vodka out there. And obviously we're going to combine our Pink Whitney here. So this drink is going to be shaken in a rocks glass as well. So I'm going to take this tin and I'm going to start off with my Pink Whitney. Pink Whitney. Going to be 1.5 ounces of the Pink Whitney. I can't get over how good that smells. I love the smell of pink lemonade. We have the Sweet Tea Vodka. Going to put 1.5 ounces of that as well. Because after all, an Arnie Palmer is kind of half and half. So we got that in there. I have a little bit of lemon left over from the last one. Not a lot, but that's okay. I'm going to squeeze some in. And I have another lemon here. Still got the tag on it, but I got it. I'm going to take my lemon. I'm going to end up squeezing about 3/4 ounces worth of lemon juice into my tin. This lemon's not as productive as the last one. That or I'm getting juice everywhere. I also want to take my lemon and cut a couple nice wheels of lemon for a garnish. Totally don't have to do that, but I want to give it a nice touch. Very nice touch. So, squeeze this baby out. And I got just about 3/4 ounces of lemon juice. And I'm also going to follow that up with a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. It's going to cut down a little bit of that sourness from the lemon. It's kind of a mock sweet and sour mix. So once we have all that, I'm going to take this and throw some ice in there. A nice helping of ice. We're going to give this a good shake. Okay. Now I'm going to prepare my glass. Put a little ice in there. Just a little bit. I'm going to put a lemon wedge down in. Lemon wheel down in, I'm sorry. A little bit more ice to kind of cap that off some. We are going to strain this cocktail off. Just leave a little bit of room at the top. What we're going to do is put a nice lemon wheel in there at the top. And just a small topping of your favorite brand of tea. And that is what I like to call a Golfin' with Whitney, an Arnold Palmer variation using Pink Whitney and some Sweet Tea Vodka. So this is an interesting one. I'm going to give it a nice stir and see exactly how it turned out. Now I like to make sure this is all nice and mixed up. I think it looks really cool without the mix. But then again, I like to have my cocktails mixed up well before I drink them. Tea! Look at all that. Look at that. That looks good, right? You know, smells good. Very citrusy, very summery. That's good. I'm happy with the result. It tastes like kind of a lemon tea, just like an Arnie Palmer. You can hardly taste any alcohol in there. Very, very good. I like that. Ah, man. You know, I may call myself an idiot, but I think I did a pretty damn good job on that cocktail when you consider I created it. I like that one. Maybe I'll get a shout out from Whitney himself. That is some good shit. Well, we have come to the conclusion of this video. So I made 3 different cocktails using some Pink Whitney. However, maybe you've made your own cocktails. You've made your own concoctions using something like this. And if you did, I really want to know about it. I'd love to try them. I'll give you a shout out. Because look, I got this whole entire bottle that I got to use. And I have a feeling that cocktails are going to be hard to come by. They call for pink vodka. Pink lemonade vodka. So therefore, that's why I don't usually buy this stuff. So any suggestions are very much welcome. I am going to kick the AC back on since I'll be done filming here in about a second. I'm going to make another one of these babies because it was really, really good. And I'm going to invite you to click down below. Hit that subscribe button if you like to see more, if you want to learn more about making cocktails. Hitting the bell icon will notify you anytime I post something new. So until next time, I want to thank you guys for watching this. And remember, if this idiot can do it, so can you. Cheers.